My name is Andy Cloyd, and I'm the founder and CEO of Superfiliate. Superfiliate is an influencer marketing platform. We exist to help e-commerce brands take advantage of the creator economy as a growth channel. Our first problem we needed to solve was getting our international payments figured out and making sure that that was done in a compliant way. And that's actually like the first time that we came across Deel. We have Brazil, Stockholm, Sweden, New Zealand, contracts, payments, everything you need right here. We have international on Deel. We have domestic on Rippling. We knew we needed to bring those into one. I had spent a year doing domestic payroll on Rippling, and I still don't think I knew how it actually worked. There's complexity, there's time, there's cost that goes into paying two different vendors. So I think finally you have to make a call and it's like a no-brainer. Deel for us started as a way to pay international contractors. Now it's become the way that we pay people across the entire world. We have our US payroll on Deel. We're running PEO through Deel. We've now added health insurance benefits. We're doing culture management on Deel. We offer a 401k. Is this still a startup? Deel has time and time again shown that they can take care of our people and make sure working here is a great place to work and you're taken care of in the way that you deserve. So punch above your weight class in your employee experience by just taking advantage of the things that this platform gives you.